Hey you guys, it's Ria back with another video. Today's video is just going to be an update on this hair that I bought a few months ago. So if you would like to see an update on this hair, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so this hair is Eayon's wig. It was a 18-inch wig. If you guys want to see the initial video and all the information about this wig, please go watch it. I'll link it down below. I've had this hair for about 3 months now. I do wear it every day. Currently I don't wear it down every day because it's just a hassle. I get up early in the morning. Sometimes I just put it in a bun and then call it a day. So I will start with the pros with the hair. Number one is I love the curl pattern. Like, do you not see that curl pattern? Like, it's so nice. I love it, especially when you wet it. Like, it just looks very luscious. There's definitely a water wave texture to it. I love it. Number two, I would say the edges, the way it was pre-plucked, the little edges that they had was a little long, but I cut them, but they work. So like, as far as like my parting, this is how I did my edges. And then you can see like the little part, it's pretty good. I believe that it was very versatile. You know, I can always put it up in a bun at night if it was too much for me. Whatever, I would just put it back in a ponytail and I can just slick back my hair and then call it a day. Now the cons about this hair is that this hair sheds like I will be in the shower washing this hair and like you just run through it and like literally like this much. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like literally a lot comes off. Like, I can literally run through this hair and like get so much off. Like, do you guys see that? Like, just running through the hair here. So very big con. I would say anybody that's looking into buying this wig to beware that it does shed a lot. Also, one thing I want to say was I didn't really take care of this hair, to be honest. It was a couple times where I would just like sleep in this hair. I wouldn't wrap it up or anything. So, you know, at first I just thought that it was me, that the reason for the hair shedding, but I actually put this other girl that I work with onto this hair. She bought the same hair and she's currently having shedding as well. So I think it's just the hair itself that's been shedding. But the curls are beautiful. Like, the curls still stay. It was at one point I had just brushed this whole hair out and it looked like really nice, like it was super puffy, and I washed it and the curls reverted back very well. So that's another pro that I really liked, is that I brushed the hair out almost to the point where it was straight, and then I washed it and it just reverted back easily. Another con is that it tangles as well. The like nape of my neck like is literally like all of this in the back is literally like nappy. Like, I literally, when I straighten it with my brush, I literally could not get that back. Like, it was just too knotted up. So that would be another con. But all in all, I would probably give this hair, I would probably give it a 7, just because of that, the shedding. But it is a beautiful curl. It looks good when it's wet. But again, it's just really hard to manage, I would say. So just beware if you ever shop with Eayon hair with this wig, that it sheds a lot. But that's all that I have, you guys, for today. If you guys would like to see more hair reviews or hair videos, just give this video a thumbs up. And let me know if you ever ordered this hair. Let me know in the comment section if you ever experienced this type of problems as well. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. This is my after look. I really like how this came out. Like, did I not slay or not?